Hi everyone, this is Sean, Bid4Assets Marketing Manager. In this video, we're going to be talking about what happens after an auction has ended on Bid4Assets. For this video, we're going to be talking exclusively about government auctions, such as tax sales or sheriff sales. So first, let's talk about what happens when a government sale ends, but sadly, you haven't won any auctions. This is actually very straightforward. If you haven't won any auctions at the end of a tax sale or sheriff sale, then no action is required on your part. You will receive an email alert in your message center and regular email account, like the sample one displayed here. It'll be labeled information regarding your deposit refund. As this alert indicates, if you've won no auctions, then the deposit funds that you submitted for the sale will be refunded to you via e-check, and you'll receive them within 10 business days after the end of the sale. Bid4Assets will send an additional email and an additional alert to your message center when your refund check goes out, just to make sure that you don't miss it. Just print your check and take it to the bank and deposit it into your account, or scan it and deposit it digitally on your phone. If you win a tax sale or sheriff sale property, then a few things are going to happen. As soon as every auction in the tax sale has closed and all bidding in the sale has ended, you will receive an email alert and an alert in your Bid4Assets message center letting you know that you've won at least one auction in the sale. It will actually list how many auctions you have won, provide you with a total balance due, and state the deadline for when payment must be received. Additionally, you will then be allowed to access Deed Wizard from your Bid4Assets main page account. And Deed Wizard will do a few things. First, it will give you specific settlement instructions, such as how to wire your settlement funds. It'll also, once again, show you what is owed in terms of your total payment. Payment should usually be sent to Bid4Assets directly, and the method of payment will usually be your choice of either wire transfer or certified check. If you've submitted a bid deposit for a tax sale on Bid4Assets, you should already be somewhat familiar with this process. In a few rare cases, counties will opt to collect payment themselves rather than doing it through Bid4Assets. In these cases, be sure to take note of their payment specifications, as those will usually be made available on their auction pages and can be viewed when looking at an individual property auction for a county's tax sale. The second thing the Deed Wizard will allow you to do is provide title information for each property that you've won. Now, most tax sales will require you to provide vesting information as you are registering and obtaining deposit instructions. So if you're satisfied with the pre-vesting info that you provided at that time, then no further action is required here. However, if you wanted to edit the information that you provided initially, say you wanted to now record your deed in a family member's name or a corporation's name, then you'll be able to enter that information here. So once you've filled out your deed information and submitted your final payment, it all goes to the county, who will record and send you your deed. The amount of time this takes between the end of a public auction and you receiving your deed will vary from county to county, but in most cases, you will receive your deed somewhere between 3 weeks and 90 days after the close of the tax sale. And there you have it. That's what you need to know about post-tax sale proceedings on Bid4Assets. We hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe for Bid4Assets email alerts if you haven't done so already to keep up to date with the latest tax sale news. Thank you, and best of luck in your next auction. Take care.